In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Temu and make adjustments to your account security settings with ease and confidence. Whether you're a seasoned internet user or just getting started, keeping your online account secure is essential. So let's dive right in and ensure your account is as secure as it can be. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Temu website. You can simply type Temu into your search bar, or if you already have the URL, enter it directly. Once the page has loaded, you'll want to locate and click on the profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page. This icon is your gateway to all your account information and settings. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear, and from here, you'll need to select the option that says Account Security. This section of your profile is where you can manage and secure your account's sensitive information. Navigating to account security is a proactive step towards ensuring that your personal data remains protected. Within the account security section, look for an option to edit your email address. It's typically next to your current email listed on the account. Clicking Edit will give you the flexibility to update your email information. This is especially useful if you've recently changed your email or if you suspect any unusual activity and wish to change it for added security. Before you make any changes, however, make sure to have access to the new email address you'd like to use. This is important because once you've made the change, Temu will likely send a confirmation email to verify your new email address. If you don't confirm the change, you might not be able to log in next time, so having quick access to your new email will ensure everything goes smoothly. After you've successfully entered the new email address, confirm and save your changes. Once saved, check your new email for that all-important confirmation message from Temu. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize the process. This step is crucial because it helps Temu verify that you are indeed the person making these changes and not someone else trying to access your account without permission. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email within Temu's account security settings. This simple action can significantly boost the security of your account. Remember, taking proactive steps like these can prevent unauthorized access and protect your online presence. In closing, regularly updating your security settings is a good habit to form for any online service you use. Stay vigilant and keep your information up to date to safeguard your digital life. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay safe online.